Xmas is you. I want your heart, your love, your trust. Fiend for your kiss, your hug, your touch. Give you my heart in exchange for yours. I broke through your walls. You know I got flaws, but so does everybody. I ain't just anybody. I ain't never had nobody who loves me like you do. You got my heart like speed racing. Baby, all I really need.
Hey guys, so I am currently trying to step over all of the stuff scattered throughout my room, making it a complete mess, but that's fine. What I'm thinking is, it's currently like 1:30, almost 2 o'clock. My room is still a mess. I didn't clean any of this up when I tried to go through my closet yesterday. So what I'm thinking is, I'm gonna bring stuff out of my closet over into my studio section, and I'm gonna go through some of the stuff. Because also I have stuff over here that isn't really meant to be over here. So I have this clothing rail over here, and it's supposed to just have on it originally like stuff that I made. So it's like supposed to be a little inspirational, but then I was doing some sort of filming thing over here, so I just ended up putting a bunch of stuff over there. A couple things I can put in the pile to definitely get rid of because I don't wear is this. This was just over here because it like fit the aesthetic when I was filming, and I don't like it at all. How do I get this off the hanger? I never like this when I put it on. This is not a good color for me, and the material I'm not a huge fan of. This is gorge, something I wanted to upcycle into something. I love it. I'm gonna put that in the upcycle pile. And this too, great fabric. The fit of this, it's super tight. The color on my skin, it just makes me feel like I have a hairy chest every time I put it on. I hate it. So all three of these items can go straight into that pile. So look at me actually getting rid of stuff. These things I made, so I'm gonna leave them here. This is something also from my vintage pile, which I want to upcycle, so put that over there. And then these are jackets, so they actually all have to go into my closet. And I actually might have to buy more hangers because I feel like I don't have enough, but for now I may steal some. Something just fell. I walked too far. Voila. For some reason, my brother has all these empty hangers in his room, so I'm just gonna take them.
Flows one direction, and fishes they follow the flow. But what if one tried to mention that there was much more to explore?
Hey guys, so I am in Fort Lauderdale. I was supposed to be in Minneapolis, and my flight actually my flight nothing. I worked my 2 flights and they added another flight to my schedule, but it was to Fort Lauderdale for a 25-hour layover, which is actually quite long as far as layovers go. So it's not the end of the world. It does change our plans for the next week, but we're just gonna go with it. I'm exhausted. I slept 2 hours last night and worked 14 hours today, but we're gonna push through and we're gonna get to the vlog.
Thinking of every mistake, sick of the give and the take. Hey, so what is new? Just waiting in queue. You done on me what was done on you. It's hard to forget, but I get confused. confused, but I'm trying to be strong and yet I still lose. Oh no, I'll never ever get a chance to go back in time. Even if I did, I don't know if I like what I find. Feeling intervention coming from what must be divine, 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 yeah. I forgive you for the things that you're not sorry for. I forgive the way you always seem to ask for more, for more, for more, for more. I forgive the days you walked away and left me cold. I forgive you, forgive you. I'm sorry it took this long. Sometimes I wish you were there to show me you care. So many things I wanted to share. All of those times I didn't.
In December, we give our gifts, wishing well to our world. Peace on earth to everyone. A time to be joyful when all is calm and all is bright. But why does it change with the seasons? And why can't we just hold on to silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing lullabies, and heaven and nature singing goodwill to all, to all. There are times I can remember with family and friends. The light of Christmas radiates and lights up my memories, the magic of love. We made time, but why does it change with the seasons? And why can't we just hold on to silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing lullabies, and heaven and nature singing goodwill to all, to all. Oh, come let us adore Him. Oh, come let us adore Him. Oh, come let us adore Him. Oh, night.
So I have my dinner here, and I didn't show myself making gnocchi, which I put on top of the vegetables, but you've seen me cook before. It's a mess. Can't understand what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying something new every single time. So I didn't feel like putting that part in there, but I fried the gnocchi and then I put it on top of the veg.
In Fort Lauderdale, while everybody else is enjoying the clubs and stuff, we just had tacos and now we're on the beach chilling, hearing the waves. I wish we were partying.
No, we gotta go back. We gotta do work.
We actually gotta edit 2 vlogs tonight, right? So
Yeah, catch up. It's like endlessly trying to catch up. But also, I've been putting out other videos besides this Vlogmas, so I don't feel bad at all.
yeah, and honestly, you've been crushing it. This is honestly the best beach to come to, especially like during the day, but mostly at night, because you have the best of both worlds. Literally, it's like clubbing 2 feet away, but then you have spots like this where you can just come and chill and just listen to the waves.
Look at how amazing it looks against our light. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, it does. Wow.
It's like glistening because I think we have the light on.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry you can't see it, but it's
It's a
real
vibe.
nice. It's real nice.
It's a vibe.
It's kind of like leather pants.
What? Leather pants?
Hey guys, so I just quickly wanted to touch base one last time and say goodnight. I am exhausted and I can just not continue any longer. When I was about to end the vlog, when I was saying that I had nothing left inside me, it just gave up. So this is my last ditch effort to end this vlog. If it doesn't work, there will be no ending. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was more interesting than what I am assuming pre-editing. I don't think I got very much, but you never know. Magic could happen. You never know how much of a genius I could be later on in the editing process. But I'm rambling because I can't think right now because I'm not tired. So please, do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment something, anything, please. And most importantly, if you could just give these videos over here a look, I promise you they're so much better than the video you are currently watching. Bye guys.